The City of Denton is gearing up for a major upgrade to its water infrastructure, replacing every water meter citywide with new technology.
We have roughly 46,000 service connections or metered connections within our service area, so every meter will be replaced, and it's going to start in the summer of 2026.
The Advanced Metering Infrastructure, or AMI initiative, will replace Denton's current manual system at no cost to customers.
So we're taking it from a direct read, so very manual system, to an automated system, and it brings different features and technologies to the utility and to the end user.
Right now, water meter readings are collected by technicians who physically check each meter in the field.
The majority of our day is spent rereading meters.
But the new system changes that, giving crews instant access to data and allowing them to respond when problems arise.
There is no data recording on these types of meters that we have right now. With this AMI, it is data recording constantly. We can get reads remotely at any time on demand.
From the city's perspective, it modernizes our system, it reduces costs. We're going to be installing meters that actually have a 20-year lifespan as opposed to a 10-year lifespan with our old metering system.
For residents, this means improved billing accuracy, access to daily usage data, and early leak detection.
You're not aware of that usage until you get a high bill a month later, and then we have to come out and try and find it. That'll be a lot easier to detect with these meters being read every day. It'll be very good for the customers.
They can sign up for alerts. They can monitor their consumption. They can look at use profiles. It's an educational tool, and they can dial into the system at any time to see what their water consumption is.
This project will roll out in phases over the next 2 years, and customers will be notified before city contractors visit their homes and businesses to replace their water meter, a process they say takes about 15 minutes.
Simple as that.
Now that's the typical, so the residents are going to need to know that we'll need to have access to those meter boxes.
Meter replacements are set to begin this summer and are anticipated to wrap up by the end of 2028.
Geographically, we're expanding quickly. The timing is amazing for the AMI. The way that Denton is developing, we'll be on top of it.
We'll be able to focus on putting new meters in for all the new homes that are coming in. We can also focus on leaks and get to them a lot quicker, be a lot more prepared for them. It's just going to be a great improvement overall.
We're really moving towards the future with this new project, so yeah.
A project the City of Denton says is an investment that will help maintain a safe and reliable water supply for years to come. In Denton, I'm Kimberly Baroteran.